In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Yoast SEO on your WordPress site. Whether you're just getting started with SEO or you're looking to improve your site's visibility, Yoast SEO is an invaluable tool. It simplifies the complex world of search engine optimization into manageable steps that anyone can follow. So, let's dive right in and set you on the path to SEO success. The first step you need to take is installing and activating the Yoast SEO plugin on your WordPress site. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, and from there, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type in Yoast SEO. Look for the correct option, then hit Install Now, followed by Activate. Once you've done that, you should notice a new Yoast SEO menu appearing within your dashboard. This confirms that Yoast SEO is ready to be configured. Now that you have Yoast SEO activated, it's time to run the first-time configuration wizard. Find this tool by clicking on Yoast SEO in your dashboard and then selecting General. Within the General tab, locate the First-Time Configuration tab and give it a click. This will launch a series of steps that will help Yoast better understand your site. The first part of this process involves SEO data optimization, where Yoast analyzes your site to better tailor its suggestions and improvements. Next, you'll decide on how your site is represented to the world. Choose whether you're setting this up for an organization or a person. Then, it's time to enhance your online presence by adding your social media profiles. Finally, adjust your personal preferences for receiving tracking and suggestions. This configuration step is crucial as it informs Yoast how to best optimize your SEO settings. Once you've carefully reviewed and entered all the information, click Finish Configuration to save your changes. With those foundational settings in place, we need to move on to configuring your SEO settings for content types, which will primarily include your posts and pages. For this, you'll again navigate to Yoast SEO within your dashboard, but this time head to Settings and then Content Types. Here, you'll want to ensure that your posts and pages are set to show in search results. Toggle these options to Yes. It's important that you also set them to display their SEO settings, making it easier for you to manage SEO directly within each piece of content. As an optional but recommended step, you can define default SEO title and meta description formats for your posts and pages. This will serve as the blueprint for search engines when indexing your content, ensuring consistent and professional displays in search results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken significant measures to make sure your WordPress site is optimized for search engines with the help of Yoast SEO. This plugin not only improves your site's visibility, but also provides you with the tools to create and maintain an effective online presence.